How to scale your Etsy store to $5,000 each and every single month. So this is incredibly simple. $5,000 is literally, it's a very small amount, okay? So if you're not already there, don't worry too much about it. I'm going to explain exactly how you can get there in today's video. And really there's only one thing that matters when you're at this point with Etsy, and that is your products. And there's two problems that you may be having with your products. The first problem is not enough. You literally just haven't listed enough products to actually reach that 5K per month mark. So for some people, to reach $5,000 each and every single month, you might be able to do that with 3 products. For most people, you're gonna probably have listed over 100 products, okay? If you're not following anything too explicit, you don't have a mentor, really 100 products plus is the point that most people are gonna reach $5,000 each and every single month. So, if you bear that in mind, that you need to list 100 products minimum, if you haven't already listed 100 products minimum, go do 100 products. And the other thing to focus on here is you may be going too narrow. You may have gone too niche or too weird with your products. And the reason why I say this is because a lot of people come onto Etsy and they just think of products and then list them. That's not the way that you do this. You don't do that. You don't just think of a business idea and then start doing it, because it's not going to work 99% of the time because you don't know what you're doing yet. That's perfectly fine, but you don't have the experience to have that gut and that natural instinct just yet. So go based upon list the 100 products that you're listing. They should all be similar to products that are already working on the Etsy platform. You can use tools to do this. You can look at star seller, bestseller. You can look at the reviews of the items, but you need to have listed 100 plus products, and that they should be based upon products that are already working quite well. So if you are listing products based upon bestsellers and you have listed over 100 products, what should you do then? So you probably are in a mixture of different situations, and the easiest solution is to run ads. On platform, Etsy advertisements. A lot of people would have done this and they would have gone bestsellers and stuff like this, but they'll probably be in a very saturated or very busy niche, such as jewelry or such as like print on demand clothing, things like this. And you need to either switch your niche. If there's too many people in it, you need to go do something else, go try something else. If there is still loads of people in it, but you think there's a bit of opportunity there, then you need to run paid ads. If you don't run paid ads, you are never, ever gonna hit $5,000 per month. One hack that I like to tell people about when they're actually listing on Etsy and they're trying to get a bit more traction is to start multiple stores. And start these multiple stores in different niches. The way I like to think about this is if you start 5 different stores, all of them are in different niches. Let's say you're doing lighting for one, you're doing print on demand clothing within about tennis, you're doing summer dresses for another one, you're doing digital products for another one, and you're selling furniture on the other one. Out of these 5, a couple of them will just get 0 results. They'll be terrible, and that's okay, right? Let's say 2 out of the 5 are gonna be just dog shit. They're gonna be terrible. And then out of that 3 remaining stores, one of them is going to be really good, and then 2 are just going to be okay. So by having more stores and spreading your niche across these different stores, like doing different niches and trying different things on different stores, you are, 1, allowing Etsy to do testing properly. You don't want to add furniture and then digital products to the same store. Doesn't make sense. Etsy doesn't like that. But you're also not putting all of your eggs into one basket like digital products. And digital products, they're actually kind of shit. So if you spread yourself across 5 stores, across 3 stores, across 10 stores, you are really hedging your bets. You're not putting all your eggs into one basket, and you have a much higher chance of reaching $5,000 every single month with Etsy. If you're interested in learning more about how I sell on Etsy and how I've made millions of dollars doing so over the past 3 years, then watch my completely free guide up here or click the top link in the description below.